Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to design stickers on Printful. So step 1, you need to log in or sign up at Printful. Go to printful.com, create an account, and then log in. Here you have to look for stickers as your layout. So for example, this one right here, you will tap on start designing. And this is where you're going to upload your image. Now go to Canva. I strongly suggest Canva. Go to the search icon and then type stickers. You can choose from any of the ratio or size right here or template. And then in order for you to start, then you can also ask ChatGPT to create or generate some quotes or anything you want. So here's Canva, and then choose for that specific template or design. You can be very specific here, for example, aesthetic, and then choose from any of this design right here for your sticker. Select this one, for example, and then start designing or editing this image. You can add a code from ChatGPT or with the help of ChatGPT, copy and paste it right here, change the font color, font size, font style, and you will have the result like this. Now, you can also add elements here on Canva. If you want to add elements, then you can just go and add elements. Once done, you can now upload this to your Printful. This is the result. In Printful, you can also edit this, like you can add text, you can add stickers, everything is up to you. But actually, this one is optional. If you just want to add something like that. So for example, I want to add aesthetic. I can change the font style, font size, font color using the tools here inside Printful. Okay. And then after that, you can now proceed with saving this or publish this. But to give a preview or to see first the result of your sticker of your product before you publish or sell this one, you can look at the option mock-ups above. All you have to do is to tap this one, and the good thing about this is that you can save the result of your sticker design. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to tap on mockups right here, and this is what it looks like. So feel free to save, print, and proceed with selling. So this is how you design stickers on Printful. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.